Jiko Okwara, talk to us about the social impact of what you do. So in terms of what the workforce size is, but then also just across the value chain.
Sure, of course, yeah. So as I mentioned, we've sold about 1.15 million of those stoves, and they've really made a transformative impact. A recent study by UC Berkeley showed that each household was saving about 12,000 shillings, that the total net benefit to society was 1,000 USD over 3 years from reduction in health costs, greenhouse gases, and fuel savings. So it really has been a transformational product on the planet. Like when you look at what's happening in Africa right now, there's 1.1 billion people. By 2050, it'll be 2 billion people. 1.6 billion of those people are still going to be using wood and charcoal. It's an economic catastrophe. It's an ecological catastrophe. It's like a health catastrophe. So Kenya has the ability to actually transform the whole continent by building super fuel efficient stoves here. So the government really needs to think about a long play, like how do we win? Now with the Africa Free Trade Agreement coming into effect, Kenya can absolutely win. So we're negotiating deals now to do, tens of millions of stoves across the continent that will help people, save lives and forests and all those things if we create the right enabling environment. So I think Kenya government has done a good job, but certain things like they put VAT back on clean cooking, which is crazy because it's absolutely not a pro-poor policy. The people that are burning 3-stone fires are the ones that are suffering from pulmonary issues. So we designed the world's most fuel-efficient household wood stove that reduces emissions by 80%. Now you're putting a VAT on that. It's absolutely not helping the poor. So we're hoping, the government's done. We've worked with the government closely and with CAM, but we're really hoping that they'll think about this long play. It's not just for helping people, but also it's the ability for economic transformation.
Okay, so, I want to, because I'm still with you, to get your closing comments on, made in Kenya. Do Kenyans care? Your experience with your products, do Kenyans care about buying products that they think are authentically made in Kenya and that have that identity? We're just laughing during the break about what you'd said earlier, that you take the products to Somalia and you try to sort of localize them, and they're like, no, get us the original product. We know what it looks like, and this is not it, and it's fine that it's made in Kenya, and they were willing to buy that. Maybe locally versus foreign, because Grace mentioned the fact that made in Kenya is big business in terms of export. Is it as recognizable and more appreciated here as well?
Once you've proven the quality, people love that it's Kenyan made. But I think that until people are really certain that the quality is there, and so that the after sales there, and the warranty is there, and all of those things. So people know when you buy a product from China, the warranty maybe is going to be like, you're going to call Shenzhen and ask them to replace your product. So because Burn is local and will service the warranty, and there's warranty centers and all those things, that people love that. And like our staff love it. So, we have people who've been with me for 8 years who love the fact that we're doing this mission-driven business and we're producing this very high-quality product. It's like 99.97 right first-time production coming out of our factory. The idea that you can't make quality in Kenya is insane and antiquated and from a different century. So as long as you're delivering quality, people seem to love the Kenya symbol.
Absolutely.